Oh.
You know that there was 4 of us kids, and when it came time for a spanking, and Mom said, "I don't care, you're all going to get a whip," and I'd go, "Me first, me first."
She starts to like it by the second one.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Me first. Actually, I've never had a spanking. I never got a spanking. My brother did.
It's not unsharp.
No, it's not unsharp. So just like this, that. Let's see. Woo.
Brad Buckner. Sharpensbest.com.
It's just
keep them
fun.
coming.
People asked me yesterday, and they asked me, not sharp. Is that one of those?
Stop!
He digs for.
Oh no!
For package with that.
All right, let's see. Oh, I said I could do it with this. So it's like that.
Fastest
Right on
knife
down
sharpening
through
in
there.
the world.
Well, a belt grinder, a belt sander would be faster.
Oh yeah.
A little pocketable sharpener versus a whetstone, steel, landscape, crock sticks, diamond impregnated tools, ceramics, all that stuff. Yeah, it's good. So just like that, and I can still see a little glint of light on the cutting edge. So we'll do this for just a few more seconds. Okay, you still have one right there that's a little flat. But all in all, I would not do that again, and I wouldn't do that again. So we can also use the V a little bit, like that, and that's hard steel. So, and I'm not pressing very hard. If I wanted to reshape it completely, watch this. All the metal. I'm trying to get it, sometimes I get them like 2 inches long there. Oop. There's one.
Wow.
So yes, I can peel a lot of metal off if I choose to. This knife has actually been used just a little bit hard, a little nicks in the blade. All right, let's see. That's definitely better.